Okay, hi everyone. So I'm going to get started on this next big project. I've got all my paints mixed up. I've got a gallery wrapped 24 by 30 inch canvas sitting there behind the bottle of Floetrol. And here's the paints that I mixed up. I did some mixes, but I wanted to show you guys. The purple here on the end is a mix of violet and prism violet, Artist Loft and Basics. Artist Loft turquoise in this one. And then the green is a mix of the emerald green in Artist Loft and the phthalo green in Basics. And then this is a metallic blue. And then this is the dark dioxazine purple. And the gold, the gold that I like. Now I'm going to go easier on the gold on this one because of the result of having way too much gold on the last one. So hopefully I can not have that same result. And of course I'm going to be using a lot of white background on this one. Didn't like the way the dark background with the black ate up all my colors. So this should be really interesting. I can't wait to see what I can come up with. And let's get started. Okay, so here it is all finished, guys. I'm really happy with it. I had to really fiddle with it to get the plume to have some kind of separation, and I feel like I did do it. I had to add white in between them and a bit on the edges, but there's the left plume and the middle plume is going to go up like that as the flow goes. Got some real nice effects, some nice waves of color. Didn't use too much gold. So we'll see how it dries, and I will be showing you guys the dry painting in a couple of days. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you the dry painting that I made for the last video. Hold on one sec. Okay, so here it is dry. It's nothing like when I left you guys last, because what happened was the cells and everything completely shifted. This again was the glue mix that I was experimenting with, and so it looked terrible. And I'm going to show you that little clip. It's about 2 seconds. I decided to just rail a blow dryer through it, and I'm glad I did, because I can live with this. This is really kind of cute and fun, and I don't have to trash the canvas. It's pretty cute. It's a 10 by 20, so it's not what I wanted, but I am going to be trying that again with my regular mix and not using the glue, because the color combination was really good. Now there's more gray in it because I hit it with the blow dryer, so that wouldn't be ideal to add black and white together unless you're looking to get a little gray. But anyway, all in all, I'm generally happy with it now, and it was a great experience. If you like these and you want to see more, subscribe if you already haven't. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Happy pouring!